Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Shefidar and I am from AMC Class Rotabali School. I am studying in 8th class. My story name is The Right Place. On the on the day of her occupant ceremony, the proud father congratulated to his excited daughter. Alhamdulillah, my darling, you have now graduated from university with honors. I am so glad, so pleased. You know what, honey? Here is my old car. The father said, the daughter said, yes, I know, it's pretty old. The father said, I acquired it many years ago. But before I give it to you, please take it to the used car lot downtown and tell them that you are considering to sell it. Let's see how much they can offer you. The daughter went to the used car lot and returned to her father saying, Dad, they offered me $1,000 rupees because it has traveled too far and looks somewhat worn. The father instructed, go to the pawn shop. The daughter went to the pawn shop. She soon returned to her father saying, Dad, the pawn shop only saved me $200. Because truly they could see that it's very extremely old-fashioned car, not up to date at all. The father lastly asked, go to the car club and show them the car. The daughter went to the car club and oh boy, was she pleasantly surprised. The car club offered me $15,000 because it has an iconic car. It's a very special car. The father exclaimed, MashaAllah, isn't it? The father said, you see, honey, you are on the right. You are